If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update today. And seems like we're still in a big trouble. As I said to you yesterday, that we do have a box of influence, and if you cross above this box, it's going to be really positive, which is actually above 5779, but you're still failing to do that. And I told you before, you still have a technical target to come down to nearly 4839, which is very close at the moment. You've had a little bit of a pump, you came down, moved sideways like this, made some pumps, and you're still continuing lower. Now if I look at it this way, you still have this one big resistance right there, and you have this support that is also being lost at the moment. So if you look at this particular pattern, it just shows the following: boom, and break to the downside. So that shows another drop from there to there, and you might be looking for this thing again to push down here. Now let's look at what is happening at the daily time frame. So here we go again. So yeah, you did make another flag, unfortunately. So let's talk about the details once again. So here we go. Do you remember when I told you that you made this bear flag right over there? You made this bear flag, and then you came down, and when you came down, you made a technical target to go down to 4854, which is in play. Equally, I talked about volume divergence yesterday, where when the prices were moving up, but the volume was dropping down for JASMY, and I told you there's no volume from the buyers, and it pretty much played out that you made a red candle later on, because it was pumping and pumping, but by the end of the day it actually came down, and you made a red closing, a bearish closing. And then I talked about 3 red candles, which is known as 3 black crows, pretty much. So this is a continuation pattern, and as far as I'm concerned, you're making another flag here, and this flag shows a new target. So from there to there, you're looking for JASMY to continue not only to 48, but now you're looking for 4572 at that price level, pretty much at this price level. And that's it for this JASMY update right now, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.